Open your Steam library. Right-click in the game and click on Properties. Click on Launch Options. Write Windowed or SW to play the game in windowed mode. Write Full Screen or just Full to play the game in full screen. Write Borderless to play the game in Borderless Fullscreen. Launch the game. Inside the game, press Alt plus Enter to change the game into windowed or full screen mode. You can also press the F11 key to change to windowed mode or full screen mode. In the game menu, go to Options, click on Video Settings, and find Display Mode and click to show the options. And choose if you want to play on full screen, windowed, or borderless. Choose the option you want and click on Apply. Click on OK and restart the game. Also, if none of these options work for you, you can also search on the internet for apps to run games in windowed mode, and you can find several programs and applications that can be used to run games in windowed mode. Some of them are free and some of them have to be purchased. These apps and programs can also be used to run games in windowed or full screen modes. Some options will work in some games, some won't. That's why it's important to test different choices. Some games won't allow you to even use launch commands. For this reason, it's important to also open the game and choose the in-game options, so you can try different choices. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.